this guy, Straight Up Driven. We came back from Vegas early. Sunday, now we're in Palm Springs. We're here for a concert. Content. But the rare, infamous Jeff Harmon, my business partner, made a point to come out tonight. We got to get him on camera more. He's going to try to get out, but Sky's going to do a great job of putting Jeff in this. He can't run from the camera. You guys want to see more of him. You don't just want to see my ugly face. So we're going to go in. We're going to check out the Aaron Lewis concert. Right, Jeff?
Absolutely.
Jeff's here for the alcohol, though. Right?
I'm here for Aaron Lewis.
Aaron Lewis? Okay. But he's here for the alcohol too. So we're gonna go in and have a good time, guys. Check it out. Like, share, and subscribe. Leave us a comment.
420 bank.
I keep going back and in, so I can keep getting patted down. I'm like actually enjoying the pat down, I think. Whoa! Hey, come on. It's on camera now, bro. You gotta do a good job.
I'll take the keys, he do the pat down.
Oh, okay. He can be concealing a weapon. We got him already. Good, right?
Assume their position, sir.
Oh, my bad. All right. I'm getting. Whoa! All right. They're gonna triple check you. Triple check you, bro. We got the VIP, like, cut the line access. Let's roll. This is the man, the myth, the legend. We're here for his birthday to party with this guy. He's invited us out many times. This guy, like, we are indebted to him. Like, I want to be like this guy when I grow up. Happy birthday, brother.
Thank you, my man. Thank you.
You have some of the craziest friends, I swear.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Like, where do I stack up on the list? Because you got some really important people, and I'm trying to work my way up and get more involved in your life.
Right. Well,
what's the plan for tonight? Let us know.
Tonight, I'm gonna get wasted right now, so let's go get a drink.
Set it up incredible in here. A nice layout. Everybody's enjoying themselves and just a nice comfortable place to relax until it's time to party. This man makes the magic happen behind the scenes. We saw the door open, we just barged in.
What's up? Just playing with cameras.
Oh, cameras? Sky loves cameras. We love cameras, bro. I don't think you have enough monitors.
Yeah. Well, because I've got a video machine and I also have an engineering machine. You never know. I really need to get like a 50-inch up there for video playback.
Okay. Video playback only. Did you get all of that, Sky? It's getting pretty crowded. Look, Jeff and Marissa. Make sure we get them looking wonderful. They got their drinks and ready to go. Right, Jeff? Gotta be pretty. Wow. And it's not even 8 o'clock yet, guys. This party is gonna go off the chain tonight. Do they even say off the chain anymore? Or is that an old thing, Sky?
Oh man.
Off the hook?
Off the hook, yeah, there we go.
Boy, I think my kid would say it's gonna be lit. We got all of that.
That's right.
Hey, it's early. IE. We don't go up the west side, we go up to IE. So guys, I got proof right here that Italians, we're not mean. We're just honest. Because this is another Italian, Jeff, my business partner's wife, Marissa. So just tell them how Italians really are.
We're just honest people, and sometimes that comes off a little rough. We have the best of intentions always.
Best intentions. We love truly.
It's all about respect. Doing the right thing. So sometimes that comes off bad, but we gotcha.
Italian. See? You need an Italian in your life. You don't have an Italian friend. You got to go get one. We are available. We love meeting new people and making new friends. We hope to meet you guys sometime soon. Check out the party.
You're going to hear all kinds of amazing music tonight. Some of his new country stuff, some of his older stuff, Sting. He might even, I don't know, if we beg him, maybe he'll do a little Prince. I don't know. I saw him do Prince the other night. I don't know. He might be pissed off that I said that, but it kills. This guy has so much range. You're going to be blown away. He's a patriot. He's an amazing guy. Let's give a big round of applause for Aaron